if you buy 2 of the same fidget spinners like this one or this one, you can put one with toothpaste on it, and like the 3 sides of the fidget spinner, right? You put toothpaste on all 3 sides, and then you brush your teeth with it. Because you have to do all the same of them, so you brush your teeth with it. Life hack. Bye.